Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add Amazon affiliate link to your TikTok bio. So it's clickable, so people will be able to click on that link and then it will take them directly to the product. And if they made a purchase or if they bought the product, then you are going to earn a commission. Okay, so if you are using your phone, you can do this on your phone. You can just open the app inside your phone and search for the product that you want to promote on if you can promote a list of products if you want. Now let's say that I want to promote this product on TikTok. What you need to do, guys, you want to just click on this share button here, and then you want to scroll down and then click copy associates link. Now this is going to be your affiliate link. If someone clicks on this link, every time they buy something within the 24 hours, you are going to earn a commission, even if they don't buy the exact same product that you are promoting on your TikTok. If they buy another product, you are going to earn a commission within 24 hours. Now, if you want to find this link, this affiliate link on the web version, if you are not using your phone right now, you can just open any product on Amazon and then click this get link in the top right, this text, click on that, and it will say here full link or short link. Now I prefer short link, like nobody's going to click on this long link. It's boring, nobody wants to click on that. You want to just select here short link and then click get link, or you can copy it like this. And after you copy this, then you can go to your TikTok account. By the way, if you don't see the bar here where it says get link, that means you haven't signed up for the affiliate Amazon affiliate program. So you have to sign up before you can start promoting products. Okay, now I made a lot of videos about how you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, so you can check them on my channel. Now what you need to do, guys, now to add this affiliate link to TikTok, you want to go and open your phone and then click on open your TikTok account. And what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on your profile at the very bottom right. Click on your profile, and this is my own TikTok. As you can see, this is my TikTok account. Now to add this link, as you can see, I have added a clickable link. Now if someone clicks on this link, it will take them directly to my Instagram, but I can do the same thing with an Amazon link or Amazon affiliate link. Now we want to click on edit profile, and after, guys, you click on edit profile, what you need to do, guys, next, you can either put this link on your bio. You can click on bio, as you can see here where it says bio, click on that, and then you can paste that link here. Okay, you can paste it here if you want. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to delete all this text and I will paste that link here, as you can see here, and then you want to click on save. But this is not a clickable link. If you put it on your bio, people will be able to copy this link and go directly and open it in a new tab, but they are not going to, it will not take them directly to the product if they click on that link, because it's not clickable if you put it on bio. Now what you need to do next, what you need to do instead, you want to scroll down and find a website. Okay, it says here website. If you click on that, you can put that affiliate link here, and if you click on save, everyone who visits your own TikTok profile, they will be able to click on this link. But if you can see your website that either you don't have 1,000 followers or you don't have professional account on TikTok, like a business account, you want to switch from personal to a business account on TikTok, you can do that. I have made a lot of videos about that topic on my YouTube channel. You can just search for how you can switch from personal to business, and then you can find here a website, and then you can put the link there. That's it. Now if you don't have 1,000 followers, I made a video about how you can get 1,000 followers in just 1 minute. Click the video in the screen right now and you will be able, guys, to learn how you can get 1,000 followers in just 1 minute, so that you can see that website option, so that you can add an affiliate link there. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.